Hello, 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 Sudoku friends, welcome back. Yes, the fourth Sudoku I will solve, the last one of today, because I won't do them all, too much time consuming or so. The last one is a Tectonic with 4 stars. In this additional with extra Sudokus in today's newspaper on a Monday. Yes, Monday, January the 4th. 2021. Yes, and the fourth Sudoku is a 4 stars Sudoku. Ooh. This will be number 2111. Yes, 2111. All right, 2111. All right, so let's get started. And the first question, can we see here? The single box, I see here the single box. Single box is always a 1. Do we have more single boxes? Nope. I see here a dual box. Here also dual box. There dual box. Dual boxes contains 2 numbers, the 1 and the 2. The 1 is here already filled in, so this should be the 2. And we have also the 1 and 2. Let me mark those 2 boxes. I do not know in which order. Here also the 1 and the 2. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright, so we have a 1 here. That means the boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. So those 4 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. Alright. These 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here or could be there. Well, I see here also a 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. So this box cannot be a 1, that box cannot be a 1, and this box cannot be a 1. 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Alright. These 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here or could be there. This box cannot be a 1 because I need a 1 in one of those 2 boxes. That box cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here or could be there. I mark those 2 boxes with the 1. Alright. How about the following number? These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So the 2 could be here or could be there. 2 numbers left in this area, the 2 and the 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. This box cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 boxes left, 1, 2, 3, the 4, and the 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. I think this box should be a 3 because it cannot be a 4 and a 5 because I need a 4 and a 5 in one of those 2 boxes. It cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, so 1 digit left should be a 3. Alright, then let me see. I think this box should be a 5 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4. Yes, definitely a 5. So 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 2 goes there. Now we have a 3 here. That means those 3 boxes surround the 3 cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. These 4 boxes surround the 3 cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be here. Then this box, I think this should be a 5 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4. Yes, definitely a 5. I've marked those two boxes with a 2. Well, now we have a 2 there, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This box should be a 2. I think this box should be a 4 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, should be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. So one box left in this area for the number 5. This box, 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 2 and 4, 2 and 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. That means those 2 boxes cannot be a 4. So the 4 goes in these 2 boxes. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So the 2 goes in those 2 boxes. That means that those 2 boxes cannot be a 2. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here or could be there. We see here 2, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. Then. Let me see. Yeah. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Yes. That means that in this area, these 2 boxes cannot be a 2 because I need a 2 in one of those 2 boxes. This box can also not be 2 or a 1 because I need a 2 and a 1 here. So this box cannot be a 2, otherwise I cannot fill any 2 there. So 2 boxes left, here 2 or there 2. I mark those 2 boxes, alright. These 3 boxes surround the 4, cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. This box cannot be a 2, so the 2 goes together with the 1 as a pair. So 1 box left in this area for the number 5. Alright, I think this box should be a 1 because it cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 1. Alright, now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be 1 anymore. This should be the 1, and this should be a 2. Now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be 1 anymore. This should be the 1, and this should be a 2. Alright. 1, 2. Let me see. 1, 2. 5, 2, 5. Alright. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2 because I need a 2 in one of those 2 boxes. But also that box cannot be a 2. So these 3 boxes cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. Now we have a 2 here, so this box cannot be a 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. Alright. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that this box, I have marked those 2 boxes with 2. This box cannot be a 2, otherwise I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So this is not the solution, the 2 here. The 2 should be there. Alright. Let me think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1 because I need a 1 in one of those 2 boxes. But also that box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. That means those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 boxes left in this quadrat box. The 3 and the 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. It's a dual box. 1 and a 2. We see here 2, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 1 goes there. Those two boxes cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. Then let me think. Yeah. This cannot be a 1. The 1 should be here. Let me think. The hard part. This is the hard part. Yeah. Yeah. This box cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here or could be there. Alright. That means that this box cannot be a 1. Otherwise I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So the 1 could be here or could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here or there. These two boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 should be in one of these 3 boxes. And I see here I have marked a 1 in this box. If I place a 1 here, then I cannot fill any 1 in one of these 3 boxes. So it's not a solution that I placed a 1 there. So this should be the solution. The 1 should be here. 1, 2, 3. The 4 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes. 4 and the 5. 4 and a 5. Alright. 4 and a 5. We have a 5 here. So no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Alright. Now we have a 4 here. I have marked those 2 boxes with the 4. We have a 4 here. So this cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be the 4. And I've eliminated the 1. So the 1 goes here. 2 boxes left. The 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 5 goes there. This box should be a 1 because it cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 1. Then. I think. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here or could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 5, otherwise I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here or could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here or could be there. Double 4, that means that this box cannot be a 4, otherwise I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So this should be a 3. And this should be a 4. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this area for the number 5. Alright. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here or could be there. Alright. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. Those 2 boxes are reserved for the 5 and the 3. 5 and a 3. We have a 4 here, so those 2 boxes cannot be a 4. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. Because we have a 3 here, this box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 5. Now we have a 5 here, so this cannot be 5 anymore. This box should be the 5, and this should be a 3. Alright. 4 and a 5. Alright. This box cannot be a 4. That box cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here or could be there. I think this box should be a 5 because it cannot be a 1. Cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4. Yes, definitely a 5. These two boxes cannot be a 5. That box cannot be a 5, so one box left for the 5 should be here. And I've eliminated the 2. So now one box left for the 2 should be here. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes there. And one box left in this area for the number 3. Alright, now we have a 4 here, so this cannot be 4 anymore. This should be the 4. And this should be a 5. This box cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3. So one box left for the 3 should be here. Those two boxes surround the 3 cannot be a 3. So one box left for the 3 should be here. 2 boxes left. The 1 and the 4. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. 2 boxes left. The 4 and the 5. We have a 4 here, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Finished in 16 minutes. Alright. Great Tectonic. I like this one. I like this 4 stars Sudoku. And the time, yes, 16 minutes. I'm very pleased. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit the bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care. Stay healthy. And keep on puzzling. See you tomorrow. Have a great day. Bye bye for now.